The Osmo Action 6 isn't just another refresh. It's a bold statement from DJI. The headline upgrade? The DJI Osmo Action 6 is rumored to upgrade from the Action 5 Pro's 1/1.3-inch sensor to a larger 1/1.1-inch sensor, roughly 40% bigger, offering improved low-light performance and dynamic range. A new variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, a game-changer for an action camera. Unlike the Action 5 Pro's fixed f/2.8, this feature gives creators true manual exposure control, something previously reserved for premium mirrorless or cinema cameras. In bright, sun-drenched scenes like beaches or snowy slopes, narrowing to f/4.0 keeps your footage smooth and cinematic, without the hassle of ND filters. When the light fades, at sunset or in dim environments, opening to f/2.0 brightens your shot and reduces noise, delivering crisp, clean visuals. It's the kind of flexibility that filmmakers and advanced users have been waiting for in a compact form. Design-wise, DJI has made thoughtful refinements. The familiar pill-shaped element beneath the front screen is gone, replaced by a minimalist white square beside the Action logo. This subtle change isn't just cosmetic. The color temperature sensor, once hidden in the O of the Action logo, likely lives there now. The result is a sleeker, more cohesive front design. A tiny new dot next to the logo hints at a possible new component, perhaps an ambient light sensor for automatic screen brightness, or a discrete microphone hole. If it's the former, this would be DJI's first move to separate display brightness control from the main camera sensor. Overall, DJI's philosophy shines through. Evolution, not revolution. Every tweak feels deliberate, every detail refined. With its adjustable aperture, elegant design, and smarter sensors, the Osmo Action 6 signals DJI's intent to elevate the action camera game once again. Before we dive in, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because DJI just shook the entire action cam market with a surprise price twist and a release window that's now nearly confirmed. Yes, the DJI Action 6 is officially happening. Multiple trusted sources have confirmed the leaks, and we already have real product images plus the core specs in hand. DJI isn't playing safe this year. They're going bold with a near 1-inch camera sensor, delivering a huge upgrade in low-light performance and dynamic range. Paired with a variable aperture, this thing is stepping into cinema territory, letting creators nail exposure and achieve deeper, more dramatic background blur. Battery life? DJI is rewriting the rules with a massive 4-hour runtime, a huge leap beyond anything GoPro or Insta360 currently offers. This is DJI's moment to dominate the flagship action space, and so far, they're winning. Now, here's the release twist. Earlier rumors pointed to October 24th to 28th for the launch event, but fresh info from a major accessories brand confirms the embargo lifts before November 10th, 2025, meaning the announcement is guaranteed before that date, with pre-orders going live instantly and units arriving on shelves mid-November 2025. Pricing is shockingly competitive. $329 base bundle, $429 extras bundle, and $479 to $579 adventure bundle. High-end features at a lower than expected price? Vloggers, travelers, and pro users just got a new favorite camera. Stay tuned, Action 6 is about to take over. But it's now slightly thicker, because inside, there's a lot more power. The front circular lens is bigger and wrapped in a slick, textured metal bezel, with a new pill-shaped element below the front screen that gives it a more polished, premium look. And yes, it's still rugged, IP68 rated, waterproof up to 20 meters without a case. That's GoPro-level confidence right there. Now here's where things get spicy. This will be DJI's first action camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a massive leap from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Action 5 Pro, meaning sharper detail, incredible low-light performance, and a boost in dynamic range. Add 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 10-bit D-Log-M color with over 13 stops of dynamic range. Yeah, DJI's clearly flexing hard, but it doesn't stop there. Say hello to RockSteady 4.0 and AI-driven Horizon Steady with 360-degree leveling and real-time shake prediction. Whether you're diving, skiing, or sending it downhill on a mountain bike, your footage will look ridiculously stable. Plus, it pairs with Garmin and Apple Watch, letting you control recording, switch modes, and overlay live data like heart rate or altitude right onto your footage. Now, compare the DJI Action 6 to Action 5 Pro. Oh yeah, folks. Because today we're diving into a showdown that's got every action camera fan on the edge of their seats. DJI Action 6 versus DJI Action 5 Pro. Can you believe it? Two powerhouse cameras, both promising mind-blowing performance. But only one can truly take the crown. Which one will come out on top? Stick with me till the very end to find out, because the answer might just surprise you. Let's dive into the heart of any camera, the sensor. The DJI Action 5 Pro features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, capturing 40 megapixel stills with a 13.5 stop dynamic range. Oh yeah, that means vibrant colors and impressive low-light performance. Adventurers love it for reliving moments in stunning detail. But hold on, the DJI Action 6 is rumored to sport a 1-inch sensor, a massive leap. This could dramatically enhance low-light capabilities and even enable 8K video recording. Imagine filming your skydiving jump or mountain biking adventure in ultra-high resolution. Exciting, right? If true, the Action 6 might make the Action 5 Pro feel outdated. Honestly, if the Action 6 delivers on this promise, it might just leave the Action 5 Pro looking like yesterday's news. When it comes to action cameras, performance and stabilization can make or break the experience. The DJI Action 5 Pro shines here with 4K video at 120 frames per second, paired with DJI's Horizon Steady stabilization system. Whether you're skiing down a slope or doing a backflip off a cliff, your footage stays buttery smooth. No dizzying jitters, no messy shakes. The Action 6, however, is rumored to step things up with advanced RockSteady 4.0, integrating AI-powered Horizon Steady that offers full 360-degree horizon leveling. Oh yes, that means every shot stays perfectly level, no matter how chaotic your movement. Imagine filming a high-octane chase scene and never worrying about the horizon tilting. Exciting, right? If this rumor turns out true, stabilization just reached a whole new level. Battery life is crucial for long adventures. The DJI Action 5 Pro offers 1,950 mAh for up to 4 hours of 4K recording, while the Action 6 is rumored to deliver longer, higher-resolution recording for uninterrupted action and fun. Durability. The DJI Action 5 Pro is rugged, waterproof 20 meters, survives -20 degrees Celsius. Action 6 promises the same durability for extreme adventures. Which one should you choose? So, here's the million-dollar question. Which camera wins your heart? The DJI Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance workhorse, perfect for immediate adventures.